Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Louis Gusto of GoLouisGusto.com. And you've probably heard of New York's financial district, Wall Street, and the New York Stock Exchange. But what you may not know is that Chicago has a financial district of its own. And in today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour. The incredible architecture, things to do, and places to eat. So stay tuned. Now there's a bunch of ways to get down to the financial district, which doesn't have official borders, by the way. You can take the CTA bus like the 156, the 134, the 151, the 22. You can take the blue line, the red line, but my favorite way to get down to Chicago's financial district is by taking the brown line to the historic Quincy stop. This station was recently renovated and restored back to its original glory. Picture yourself as the Great Gatsby coming down to the financial district to trade some stocks. Once you get to the Quincy station, you're gonna wanna walk north on Wells up to Washington or Madison, then you're gonna head east to LaSalle Street, and that's where our tour is gonna begin. Alright guys, now we're at the Field Building. This building was completed in 1934 and it's an Art Deco masterpiece. It's actually one of my favorite buildings in the city, but it's notoriously difficult to photograph. I always have trouble getting good photos of it. I guess if I had a drone, I could fly it up and get a really nice vantage point, but I don't think you can fly drones down here. It's the site of the world's first skyscraper, built in 1884, the Home Insurance Building, and it's currently the home of Bank of America. So now we've made it to the LaSalle Street Canyon. Here's where you're gonna find among Chicago's most marvelous buildings. Right now we're standing in front of the Rookery building. This is Chicago's oldest standing skyscraper. It was completed in 1885 by Burnham and Root, and in 1905 Frank Lloyd Wright himself redesigned the light court. It's a beautiful, beautiful lobby. Absolutely must see when you come to Chicago. You may recognize that as Wayne Tower from The Dark Knight, also known as the Chicago Board of Trade building. It's a beautiful Art Deco masterpiece and was the tallest building in Chicago until 1965. At the top, there's a 3-story statue of Ceres, the Roman goddess of agriculture. We've also got the Federal Reserve Bank building of Chicago, a neoclassical structure with Corinthian Greek columns, and also the Central Standard building. You know what happened on that site? The United States was divided up into the 4 time zones. I bet you didn't know that. This is definitely among the most photographed spots in Chicago. It's perfect for Instagram photos, and lots of movies have been filmed down here. I would show you clips of The Dark Knight, but I don't own the rights. As you might imagine, with all the bankers and the traders and software engineers, there are a ton of places to eat. I'm gonna highlight a couple of my favorites. The one behind me is Luke's, which is a Chicago staple for hot dogs, Italian beefs, and pizza. All right guys, we have here the greatest hot dog in all of America, the Chicago hot dog. So good. Another great spot to eat in the Chicago Financial District is the Revival Food Hall, where you're gonna find all sorts of local fast casual restaurants. One of my favorite spots to eat down here is the Potbelly located in the Rookery building. You can eat a sandwich and then check out the light court. Now you might be tempted to think that all there is to do down in the Financial District is look at pretty buildings, but you'd be wrong. Behind me is the Money Museum. It's open 5 days a week, excluding bank holidays, free admission, and I think it got some awards from TripAdvisor. You could see $1 million on display. You know the other way to see $1 million on display? Come over my house. You can also get free money. That's not a joke. There's shredded money. Comes in little bags, completely free to take. Little souvenir from the Federal Reserve Bank. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below on what your favorite building in the Chicago Financial District is. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to give this video a like if you made it all the way to the end. And if you're new here, please subscribe because I got all kinds of great videos coming up soon. Alright, so that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Peace. The original statues that stood in front of hey, subscribe because I make videos every week about dope stuff in Chicago, traveling, and all types of cool videos like that. And because my girlfriend wants you to subscribe, so please do that. Just try different angles. Just look. The only thing to do down here is look at the amazing buildings. Hey, we got NASCAR in town. Pretty cool. I actually didn't realize that they were going to be in town this weekend. I wonder if that's the pace car. Now you might be